has suddenly appeared on 14th Street and has already breached level 3 containment. The Hollow investigation has dispatched a team to the scene to carry out emergency residents in nearby
Rian po, disod sa bag.
Wise, come check this out.
What's that? 14th Street. I think the news mentioned it earlier. Give me a sec.
Yeah, in the Janus quarter. They say it's already breached the level 3 controls.
Public security were conducting a manhunt over there today. Evacuations may not be going as expected.
So you're saying?
We should get ready. We'll be seeing some business coming our way soon.
Pusil man. Pusila ko, be. Pusila daw ko.
Yes na lang, bro.
Cool.
Lalaki tayo, lalaki.
Pusila si Ninong, pusila daw, pusila. Pusila Ninong, pusila. Papalo, pusila.
Batik din na do ay.
Papalo.
Zinless Zone 0. RPG lang.
Over there! Go! Go!
Si Papa lang si Ninong, pusila. Si Mama. Pusilay mo, Mama. Pusilay mo, Mama. Imo, Mama. Yes. Pang punuti. Kasi yung kaniya.
I don't give a mother. Listen here, you red-bang mother. Don't think the Hollow can protect you. The Public Security's Air Force is on the way. You're...
Anong ako naman imo pusilo mag-ayo?
There's a window! Boss, we can get out this way!
Oy, gagabi ang iyang ipasangil anak ka Jiri kay ipis ko no.
A way out is a way out. Can you break the glass, Billy?
Easy! Leave it to me!
It bounced off. Damn, I knew it wouldn't be that easy. This window...
Reinforced bulletproof glass! You won't be able to break it. The cunning hairs done.
Yan, nabi si Rian ma. Ikuan ko na siya sa ipis ko no, diri daw.
Deal with
Diri.
the Red Fang gang!
Dinhi daw niya, dinhi. Niya diri.
Went through so much trouble to...
You stole the strong box from the Institute. We're just returning it to its rightful owner. Hey, don't make it sound like we're the bad
Maligo na
guys.
sila dagat.
We're all trying to get by on the same
Maligo sila
street.
dagat.
Why?
Sila, kuan, maligo maka sila.
Sorry, but it's...
Of course it is! That I'm willing to exchange it for your...
So you need
Bago na din mo
the
na una,
whole
mo ba na
gang
di ka?
armed and ready to handle 3 people?
Mabago na yung una, mo ba na ka?
Tears? It's even weirder than the rumors. Wait, is that a flashbang? Correct. It's a GS2 high-lumen military flashbang.
Palanggana, pwede na nabutang nag-asin. Dagat na.
What?
Ikaw. Bang!
So, in that case, I have no choice but to... kill you all!
You've made
Yo,
a
mga
mistake,
atang mo kanima,
mister.
igsuon na ni
We
Rian.
aren't your enemy. That...
Falcon 4 to Commander. We've arrived
Labo,
at the
pareha
source of the
tagpuo,
light and found
agtang.
the Red Fang Gang. Repeat, we found the Red Fang Gang. Awaiting orders.
Boss, it's the
Ikaw madangas mong bukay, anay mo buhok.
That flashbang just now. It was switched from...
Be, yan ang buhok ng mala, be. Yan ang buhok ng mala.
Stay and fight us, and then get caught by public
Ana ang
security.
buhok si mo apuhan.
Or you can run, and we all get to live.
Damn you. Cunning hairs.
It's in a hare's nature to avoid getting caught. Don't hold it against me.
What? You found it? And what are you waiting for, Captain?
Sapa ni Rian.
It's gone.
Ilong mo murag dagyan sa pison. Taas mo na siya ilong ko ka, bibi. Karon kiwa na.
We're done for.
I want to fly like a plane!
Ako amo, kanida ko no. Sa ipis, Uy, isa na.
Confirmed. We fallen into a hollow.
Ah, magpaingaturo na siya. Bisag ko ilusa.
That was quick.
Okay.
Hala, ako matutito. Ako matutito. Ako. Apa yang kami jawab bang? Kita milik dia. Kamu banget nagmukuna na lang yung buhok doha. Pag kuya, nagmukuna puto. Marapagod namin puto da. Ano nagkatay mo?